Hey there, and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Jenny, one of Festival's mealtime mentors, and today we are making a really refreshing salad. We're making a Thai chicken salad. I absolutely love this. It's packed full of so much great flavor. To get started, I'm going to work on our dressing for the salad. We have a little bit of creamy peanut butter. Get all that peanut butter in there. Some lower sodium soy sauce. Sesame oil. Ooh, I can smell that sesame oil. It's so fragrant. And then we have some rice vinegar, also known as rice wine vinegar. It's the same thing. Sriracha, a nice little bit of heat. If you don't like spice, feel free to omit the sriracha. And then we have a little bit of sugar, salt, fish sauce, which is a really popular ingredient in Thai cuisine. And then we have about an inch nub of fresh ginger that I've peeled, and then a clove of garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this lid on and give it a blend so everything comes together. So the sauce is pretty thick from the peanut butter. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of water. The water is optional. You can really just thin the sauce out to your desired consistency, but I would recommend using all of it just because we have a lot of food that this dressing needs to cover. So the thinner sauce makes it a little easier to mix up. So I'll give that one more little blend. And that looks great to me. I'm gonna move on now to the base of our salad. I already have some cooked shredded chicken in a bowl here, and to that I'm going to add some shredded cabbage. So today we are using 1/2 a head of cabbage. I've halved it and then cut it in half again to get quarters, and now I'm just going to thinly slice it. The chicken we're using today is chicken breast. It's about 2 pounds of chicken breast. But if you would prefer to use like chicken thighs, you can do that. Or if you want to just use a rotisserie chicken and save yourself a little bit of cooking, that's also a great option. We also have like pre-pulled or shredded rotisserie chicken in our deli to save yourself some more time. As I know, everyone's busy, so we're always looking for shortcuts. And if you are looking for a more like veggie heavy salad, feel free to use that full head of cabbage. Just make sure you grab yourself a larger bowl. All right. Get this cabbage into the bowl. And then we will go ahead and add in the rest of our ingredients. We have grated carrots. So this is 2 large grated carrots. Again, if you want a little bit of a shortcut, you could just buy like pre-shredded carrots. And then we have some green onion, some chopped cilantro, diced mango, and you can use a very ripe mango if you want something sweeter. Or if you want something a little more tart, you can pick a less ripe mango. And you can tell how ripe a mango is just by squeezing it, kind of like an avocado. If it gives really easily to pressure, that means it's ripe. And then we have some serrano peppers. We are using 3 serrano peppers today, so it is quite a bit of heat. If you aren't a fan of heat, again, just feel free to omit those peppers completely or just use less of them. And then we have some chopped peanuts. All right, next thing we do is get the dressing on there. So this is why that thinner consistency was important. As you can see, this is a ton of food that we need to cover. And go ahead and give this a toss and try not to spill it all over the counter. I love that this dish is great on its own, but you could also serve it over like a bed of rice and lettuce cups. It's really versatile, and what I love about it is that as it sits longer in the fridge, those flavors really start to come together even more. So it tastes great as a leftover. So feel free to make it like on a weekend when you have more time, and then have it for lunch throughout the week. All right. And then the last thing we do before serving is sprinkle it with some fresh lime juice. So I just have the juice from 2 limes here. You could also serve it with lime wedges if you would like, but the lime juice gives a lot of really great bright flavor to this salad. So I hope you brighten up your day with this delicious Thai chicken salad recipe. And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit bestfoods.com.